Hi, I'm Caroline Mumbi. I was a student at Zindua, finally finished. I was also a student at Cooperative University. I did IT, finally finished that. And I do love swimming and having fun a bit. Zindua really feels like home because everyone here is very welcoming to you. If you have a challenge, they are very open. And also coming from a campus background, I can say that Zindua really does help students focus more on what they want. Coming from a campus background doing IT, I was always intrigued by IT, but in campus, it's not that well grounded with software development. So I've always had a soft spot for software development, and that's why I came here to learn about software development. I was a campus student at Cooperative University pursuing Bachelor's of Business Information Technology. My first impression of Zindua was everyone was very welcoming. I loved the admission, it was very smooth. And also I loved the perspective of software development. The learning environment at Zindua, it's very welcoming. I feel like everyone is very open to engaging with you and helping you learn. Yes, I have faced challenges during my journey. Coming from a background of IT, ideally I am supposed to have basic knowledge, but coming to Zindua, I was a bit zero, and the challenge was grasping the concepts. And Zindua really helped me with that because everyone was very welcoming to any question. I feel like I could go to anyone and just ask, and it will be very, very well articulated. Coming to Zindua, I have learned about front end, and that is using React and JavaScript. I have also learned the back end version of it, that is using Python and Django. The mentorship in Zindua has been very, very nice. I feel like everyone here really does help you just articulate what you want to be, and it has really helped broaden up my visions in terms of goals and all that. A project I'm particularly proud of is a project I did. It's called Malikale Safaris. It's basically a web dev that you can book safaris from. It's actually family oriented, so it's something that I'm very proud of have done. Coming to Zindua, it has really opened up my perspective on software dev, and I really feel like I can pursue software development, majorly front-end dev. I'm particularly interested in front-end dev. My plans and dreams for the future, I'd say that my dreams, I'd really love to be a very well developed software developer, majorly front-end software developer. I'd also love for my website, my Malikali website, to be a successful project. Yes, I would recommend Zindua to others because Zindua really is goal oriented, and I feel like students who come here will definitely live with something worth to take. I'd actually say it's more of family because everyone is very much open, and I feel like the community I had, they were supportive because I could easily lean on my friends if I was challenged in anything. Yes, I do feel confident for the job market because Zindua has given me that courage in terms of software development and the growth I've had.